What's up guys, Storm Soulfire here, and finally, after, God, it's been like nearly a month or two, we finally got the Vanguard next stage unboxed. We've been promised to give JP another butt kicking, so let's get straight to the unboxing. So, I've already unboxed this, so you get the normal 12 packs. I'm trying different angles, sorry. So, you get dice, and I got the one I was hoping to get, the Gear Chronicle 1. We'll put this one right there. We also opened the gift marker pack. Hang on. Just gotta do one thing, so pause. Right, we're back. So we get the gift markers as well. We got one force marker, an Excel with Chameleon Ashurkaiser on it, and a quick shield. So the usual stuff you're probably going to be getting from now on. Right, let's get into the first pack. Remember to like and subscribe. We are almost at 70 subscribers, so please subscribe. So I can finally reach that goal. Before I head back to Glitch. First off, we have, first pack, we got one plant token. Made in a Dream Shower. An Archer's Fairy token. Flower Fairy, sorry. Then a couple of Royal Paladins. Our first rare is Steam Made Eagless, or whatever her name is, the other card you can superior rides with. And Hopes on Angel to start us off for the rares. I'm not really sure what I'm looking for. If I get some Royal Paladins, it'll probably go towards MLB in a few months' time. Okay, next pack. Sorry. Alright, first we have Steamfight Toei, Stabbing Knight Regal, Angel, Steam Digger, for Rose. Next we have Ringo Guardian Musketeer on Tarot, and we got an SVR actually. Oh sure, great. 1VR I was already hoping to get, but it's still quite cool. And we'll put that towards the back. Okay, let's just check. There's not much here, just the normal cones you guys probably seen from other videos. I'll show the rares, which are an Upclutch Dragon and this Rising Knight Delta for blasters. I'm a little bit salty about that, but yeah, happens. Okay, again, we'll just go straight to rares and stuff. So that goes there. Our first is Upstream Dragon, so it's quite cool for gears. And a triple rare for Neonectar. Wrong clan, please. Sorry about that, technical difficulties. I just had to come myself after that rage. Reading. Okay, so back to where we were, so pack number 5. Okay, not much there, just some the normal commons and stuff. First we have a rare Maiden of Flower file for Neonectar, and a Steamfire Barley for Gear Chronicle, a double rare. So at least I've got another copy of him to add to my collection I already got. Alright, next pack. We'll grab the 2 rares. Excuse me. That's what I get for living there. Alright, we've got a rare for Gear Chronicle, the Upclutch Lion, and another one, Headwind Knight Salim for Royal Paladins. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. I felt like the bottom pack. That sounds good. My luck is not with me today. Alright, so get rid of coins and stuff to put them towards the side. First we have this grade 1 for Neonectar rare, and another double rare being Belinus for Royal Paladin. I mean, if I got any out, it'd be alright, but it's like... Okay. Ooh, hang on. This pack's weird. Let me show you guys. So there's only 4 rares, but we got 5, 4 commons. But we have this for the orders. The grade 1 for Neo Nectar, and a double rare being Melon for Git, which is quite cool. I do like Melon. So we might have something. I'm not sure. Alright, next we have a rare in this next pack for Royals, and sadly a triple rare for Royals Sullyman. I'm literally going to cry because I was really hoping something better. I wanted next stage in Gears. Why me? Okay. Looks like I might have to build Neo Nectar in my spare time. Great, that's going to be fun. Not sarcasm. Okay, next we have another Ontero and a double rare being Starlight Violinist. Okay, down to our last 2 packs. Let's hope for at least a redemption, which we do not obtain. I'm not salty. If anyone says I'm salty, I am. I am a little, but I'm not. First we have a rare for Neo Nectar and another double rare, probably one of the last one being Myers for Neo Nectar. And we end with just these 2 rares, Maze Gate Dragon and a Rolls grade 3. So not really what I wanted to get most of the packs, but hey, it's all good. Alright, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and bye for now.